Good morning, everyone. Michael Root. Was housing division, now it's student life, and things kind of roll along in a continued fashion. Everything is sort of in a ready gear, meaning some days are slow and other days are maddening, and probably have started calling my job the surprise department, because on any given day you don't know what's going to wear out or break or need repair or by whom. My highlight was this person took their electric coffee maker and set it on an electric stove and fired it up. Well, I'm sure you can imagine what happened when the coffee pot decided to melt on top of this electric stove, and we had something akin to pop art, and I had to be a sort of sympathetic but yet amused. You know, no one was hurt. That's the biggest thing. I probably interacted with at least one full football stadium full of people, or possibly more. And the term synergy, the sum of the parts is greater than the whole. So you can have the biggest ego around, but you find out that you're a team because there's no I in it. I'm gonna wear this microphone, and we're just gonna have a happy walk here for a second. Well, we're gonna go to my locker right down here.
Okay. Is it a light?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
See, you know, and as we go along, come on along. As we go along here, you know, being prepared. So this was a cute gift. But, you know, like they used to say in the commercial about Motel 6, we'll leave the light on. So we've left the light on. The best repair you can do is if you come in, you do something, and the people come home and they say, well, gee, the wall looks fine. What was wrong with it? Well, it had a huge hole in it. And everything works. And, you know, it's keeping people happy is the biggest thing. You know, like this silly hat I'm wearing with a light on it, you know. We always keep a light on. And that's the lady right there that got me that hat for Christmas. Bless her heart. Everybody takes care of everybody around here. I've enjoyed this interview. Thank you. And hopefully there'll be hopefully more smiles than frowns when people view this. Never a dull woman around here.